Hi everyone, let's see how to add video in Canva presentation. Here I have got a Canva presentation and I'm going to add video here. Okay, let's select the page where you would like to add the video. I'm going to select the page number 2 and here it is. I'm going to add video here. Okay, on the left here you can see uploads. Click uploads and I'm going to hit upload file to upload my video. And here goes my video clips. I'm going to import on. Here you can see my video is uploaded. Just click on it and it will be here. I need to resize this video. So click on it and here you can see several points. Just hold the mouse and drag to resize. And here it is, and drag and drop. Okay. So now hit this button and you can play the video. Well friends, we have uploaded this video, but you can add video from this library. Okay, I'm going to select another page. Here page 5 and I'm going to add stock videos. Okay, so to get stock videos, click elements and here you will see options, videos, click videos. And here you can search for any specific video like office, working. Hit enter and you will find a lot of videos. And suppose I liked this video, just click on it and it will be here automatically. Now in the same way you can resize the video.